this one I had to redo all my terrace garden, so I had to remove the tiles and stuff like that. So as a result of that, I had to redo everything. Hence you will find my garden very messy, a lot of cleaning yet to be done. It's been about 3 months since I restarted this whole garden. I'm still in the process. So typically whenever I grow 2 crops in each bag. So this is a grow bag. So I have coriander here, and then there is some onion. I'm just experimenting with an air pot just to see how well it would grow. Some carrot, and these are marigolds twigs, branches that broke off. So I planted them here, and now they started flowering. This pomegranate, this is 2 years old, exactly 2 years, and I hardly got 5 or 6 good fruits. Most of the time they end up being like this due to some fungus or something. So I was told that I should remove this and go for a fresh planting. Yeah, so all these marigolds are basically branches that I have planted, and this is coriander that I had too much of, which I couldn't utilize. This is trying to find out. Yeah, this is Swiss chard. There's a lot of caterpillar infestation. So even though I keep coming out in the night and picking them up, no amount of sprays are working. Yeah, this is the scarlet red globe. I especially like this because in 30-35 days I get some radish. This one is I had a hybrid long brinjal, and somehow this came out of it. So I'm assuming this is now become more like an open pollinator. So I'm leaving this one for it tasted good. So I'm leaving this one for seed. And here I am growing some onion seedlings, and I let it grow for like 2.5 months, and once the bulbs form here, then I will transplant so that I can take a crop much quicker. This is methi. I just left it for seeds. This is pinto beans. Somebody got this for me from Canada. So it tasted good. You only use the seed. Yeah, so all my fruit plants are growing in soil in 30 inches by 30 inch containers, grow bags, and this is the first time that I am actually getting to see a lot of lemons. So this again marigold that I have planted through the branches. So this is at one level, and this is the half terrace, and then there is another terrace on the top through these steps, which I will be going up now. This is the terrace of my neighbor. So they saw me doing terrace gardening, so they got, I hope, inspired by me, and they also started growing. Okay, and this is what you see down is the mango trees in the ground floor, and this is the top view of what we have seen so far: the yellow marigold and the orange marigold. And now here, this is the one where I posted that picture of that caterpillar that I was asking what it is. Okay, and you will find for some of you this may be new. I know most of you are all very experienced, far experienced than I am, but So I'm growing, this is Taiwan Red Lady. There's another Taiwan Red Lady. So if you notice, this one is growing in a regular grow bag, like the one here. And this is growing in a air pot. Both were planted on almost the same day, and you can see that this one already has started